My name's Craig Perfect, owner of Allcon of Greenville. We focus on delivering exceptional customer service and quality. We've grown tremendously over the years, and we've only done that successfully because we've got really good people who work for us.
My name is Darren Broda with Allcon of Greenville. We are currently at the IKO glass fiber plant in Chester, South Carolina, installing roof systems throughout the whole entire plant.
We've used IKO Commercial products for 3 years now. The culture kind of aligns with what our culture is in terms of its total customer centricity. The product speaks for itself, but it's more the people behind it. They're passionate about it, they feel the culture. It's more partnership than it is just a business relationship.
Mainly at IKO Commercial, we've been dealing with Troy Kennedy. He's brought us out, introduction to clients, potential clients, really worked with us hard on a few projects to land those.
My name is Troy Kennedy with IKO Commercial. We are putting on a 60 million OVTPO system and have a nice contractor in Allcon Roofing doing it for us.
We met out here long before it was even a thought, got in front of the general contractors and started kind of working our way into being able to install all these roof systems on this project.
We cover every aspect of roofing, commercial and residential. We fabricate our own metal roof systems, certified to install them with watertight warranties as well. We cover steep slope, we cover slate, shake, all types of composite, synthetics, and asphalt.
This project has been a challenge. It's industrial, which is multiple roof levels, 14 different roof levels, anywhere from 80 feet in the air to roofs inside of the building itself. The IKO Commercial team has been phenomenal. They flew in, I want to say about a year ago. We met with everyone in our conference room. We had, a long meeting, basically just to get on board with what we expect.
Not so much the challenges, as more of the opportunities to show the general contractor that we're not like the other manufacturers.
I had zero negativity come back to us on the IKO product. Product laid well, the guys really enjoyed working with it. That's an important factor.
You'd be surprised the way the product actually installs and lays down. I would recommend IKO Commercial to anyone that's getting into the industry or has been in the industry.
The IKO team appreciates what we deliver, and we absolutely appreciate what they deliver. That's why we chose IKO Commercial.